to Kazamizuki, okay? So the bag person only needs one bag. So you're just gonna kind of turn the bag this way, right? And we're gonna do this front side attack and the back side attack, okay? So he's gonna keep it low, you know, like a Kengiri, like he just kicks him on the groin. So we've got this, boom, he'll put it up, and I come in with my Kazami. So it's gonna be whop, boom, boom, boom. And I want you guys to kick, and as soon as you put your foot down, use that weight driving down at the same time you come in with the strike, okay? So, here, Mr. Griffin, I'm going to use you too. So this would be the idea of the attack. So we're here, we're fighting. This is a street attack. So maybe he's coming in to push me or something, but we've got a growing shot and then using that front strike, right? So you guys can get the idea of what we're trying to do with the bag drill today, right? So let's look at this again. So you're going to stand in a good kamae, good stance, weight on the heels, Kengiri, pop, drive in the front strike. Make sure when you punch, you retract back. So 1, 2, kamae, 1, 2, boom, boom. Then we're gonna do the back side. Ready? I'm gonna kick, and this time when I kick, I'm gonna step forward, he'll step back, boom, I step in, pop, okay? And just turn it back up vertical for me. So again, I'm gonna step in with the back kin, driving it in with Budo kin, right? So I'm gonna back side, kin, driving it in. And again, retract, okay? I'm overdoing it for you guys who can see it. Always when you punch, pull back, don't punch and leave it out, right? So, yep, he's here, pop, 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 pop. So we're gonna do 3 reps each side, right? So I'm gonna do it one more time. One side, and then you guys can do the reps, okay? So you'll do 3 times front, 3 times back, switch, 3 times front, 3 times back, right? So we're here, pop, 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 pop. See, I'm doing that? I'm at the back leg. Ready? Boom, boom. Back to kamae. Pop, pop. Back to kamae. Back to kamae. See how we do it? Got it? All right. Play.